Vanilla. Just the word conjures up warmth and deliciousness. It's a flavor we know from childhood, a taste that brings back memories of sunny days and sweet treats. We find it in cakes, ice cream, and even savory dishes. But did you know that vanilla comes from an orchid? Yes, this exotic flavor is born from a beautiful, delicate flower. And even more exciting, you can grow this orchid at home. Imagine having your own vanilla plant right in your garden or greenhouse. Now, growing vanilla takes patience. It's a journey of care and attention, but the reward? Oh, the reward is worth it. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own vanilla beans, picture the aroma filling your kitchen as you cure them, and finally envision the taste of your very own homemade vanilla extract. This isn't just about flavor, it's about the joy of growing something special. It's about connecting with nature and its delicious potential. So are you ready? Let's embark on this flavorful adventure together. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, growing vanilla can be a rewarding experience. It teaches patience, dedication, and the joy of nurturing life. And the best part, sharing your homegrown vanilla with friends and family, adding a personal touch to your culinary creations. So let's get started. Embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and savor the results. A world of flavor awaits you. Together we can explore the wonders of vanilla, from planting to harvesting, curing to tasting. Let's make this adventure unforgettable, and who knows? You might discover a new passion, a deeper connection to nature, and a richer appreciation for the flavors that enhance our lives. This journey is about more than just growing a plant. It's about cultivating joy, flavor, and a sense of accomplishment. So, are you ready to dive into the world of vanilla? Let's embark on this flavorful adventure together. Let's embark on this flavorful adventure together.
Vanilla orchids are tropical plants, native to the lush, warm regions of the world. They thrive in warm, humid environments, where the air is thick with moisture. Think of a steamy rainforest, with its dense foliage and constant humidity, and you're on the right track. To recreate this at home, you'll need a few things to mimic their natural habitat. First, a greenhouse is ideal, providing a controlled environment, but a sunny windowsill with controlled humidity will also work. You'll need a sturdy support for your vanilla vine to climb, as they are natural climbers. A moss-covered pole or trellis works best, providing the texture they need to grip onto. Lastly, choose a well-draining potting mix, specifically designed for orchids, ensuring proper aeration. Vanilla orchids like their roots to breathe, so avoid compacting the soil. They don't do well in soggy soil, which can lead to root rot. Water when the top inch of the potting mix feels dry. Remember, maintaining humidity is key to their growth. Mist your plant regularly or place a tray of water nearby to increase moisture in the air, creating a perfect environment for your vanilla vine.
Vanilla orchids flower for a short time each year. Each flower opens for just one day. In their native habitat, they rely on specific insects for pollination. But when grown indoors, you'll need to lend a hand, literally. Hand pollination might sound intimidating, but it's quite simple. Gently lift the lip of the flower to expose the pollen. Using a small brush or toothpick, carefully transfer the pollen to the stigma, located beneath the anther. Be gentle and precise. With a little practice, you'll become a pro at pollinating your vanilla orchids.
Section 4, From Bean to Bottle, Curing Your Vanilla Harvest. After pollination, the magic happens. The flower withers, and in its place, a bean pod begins to grow. These pods, the vanilla beans, take about 9 months to mature. Once they turn yellow-green, it's time to harvest. Curing is the process that transforms those beans into the fragrant spice we know and love. It involves 4 main steps: killing, sweating, drying, and conditioning. Each step is crucial in developing the vanilla flavor. Killing stops the beans from growing. Sweating encourages enzymatic reactions that develop flavor. Drying removes excess moisture. Finally, conditioning involves storing the beans in a cool, dark place for several months to fully develop their flavor and aroma.
Section 5. Liquid gold, crafting your own vanilla extract. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, making your own vanilla extract. This is a rewarding process that not only saves you money, but also ensures you have the highest quality extract for your baking and cooking needs. The process is surprisingly simple and requires just a few ingredients and a bit of patience. You'll need vodka or rum, and of course your cured vanilla beans. The alcohol acts as a solvent to extract the rich flavors from the beans. Slice the beans lengthwise, leaving them connected at one end. This step is crucial as it exposes the seeds inside, which are packed with flavor. This exposes the seeds inside, allowing the alcohol to penetrate and extract the essence more effectively. Place the beans in a sterilized jar and cover them completely with alcohol. Make sure the beans are fully submerged to prevent any mold growth. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place. This environment helps the flavors to develop without any interference from light or heat. Shake it every week or so. This helps to mix the contents and ensures even extraction of the vanilla essence. In about 2 months, your extract will be ready to use. However, the longer you let it sit, the more intense the flavor will become. The longer you let it infuse, the richer the flavor becomes. Congratulations, you've created a culinary masterpiece. You've grown, cured, and extracted your own vanilla. This is a true labor of love and a testament to your dedication. There's nothing quite like the taste of something you've nurtured from start to finish. Enjoy the fruits of your labor in your favorite recipes.